Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about the 20 species of spiders found in Georgia. Spiders are omnipresent, and this is because of their unusual ability to transport themselves by just releasing a strand of silk and letting the wind just carry them. This write-up gives information about a few different species of spiders present in Georgia. Acoustic webs. Spiders can tune the silk fibers of their webs, which when plucked produce vibration of different frequencies. This tells the spider of the presence of its prey or any structural damage to the web. Spiders are terrestrial arthropods with 8 legs that are present in all continents except Antarctica. They have the 7th largest diversity. There are about 42,000 species of spiders present worldwide. America alone has about 3,807 species of spider recorded till the year 2012. Some spiders possess venom either for self-defense or for catching its prey. But the most striking fact about the spiders that have fascinated scientists for decades is their highly elastic but extremely strong spider silk that they produce, which is used for catching its prey, laying eggs and building its retreat. The body of spider is made of a head that is fused to the thorax, thus called the cephalothorax, and abdomen. Appendages in spiders is joint, which is why they belong to the phylum of arthropods. The tip of the legs, called tarsus, usually has claws that help the spider to walk on its webs. The spider's body is covered by an outer skeleton of chitin and possesses fangs. Therefore, it belongs to the class of arachnids. There are total of 111 families of spiders that have been recorded till date. Taxonomic classification of spiders: kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Arachnida, order Arnia. The humid and subtropical conditions of Georgia make it ideal for the survival of various insects, and that's why many species of spiders can be found here. Georgia houses more than 20 species of spiders, some which are given below. Classifying spiders according to behavior: diurnal, nocturnal, fishing, spitting, venomous, others. Diurnal spiders: Argiope aurantia, family Arachnida, genus Argiope, species Argiope aurantia, common name black and yellow garden spiders, golden orb weavers, garden spider. Habitat: fields, gardens or forest. Activity: diurnal. Females are usually larger than males. The average size of females is about 14 to 28 mm, whereas males are about 5 to 8 mm excluding their legs. This spider has a total of 8 eyes that are endangered in pairs. A pair of median eyes are present centrally and 3 pairs of smaller eyes are arranged around it. Legs are long as compared to the body, and tips of the legs have 3 claws. The first 2 pairs of legs are directly forward and hind 2 pairs are directed in the backward direction. These individuals show sexual dimorphism. Females have a rounded abdomen that is usually black in color with bright yellow patterns. Their carapace is usually silver-white in color. Males are not very colorful, found usually in shades of brown. These are usually annual species, and the male usually dies after mating. Argiope trasfasitia, family Arachnida, genus Argiope, species Argiope trasfasitia, common name banded garden spider, garden spiders. Habitat: field, gardens or forests. Activity: diurnal. The average size of females is about 10 to 25 mm, whereas males are about 4 to 6 mm, legs excluded. This spider has a total of 8 eyes that are arranged in pairs. A pair of median eyes are present centrally and 3 pairs of smaller eyes are arranged around it. Legs are long as compared to the body, and the tips of the legs have 3 claws. The abdomen of these individuals is rounded towards the cephalothorax and more pointed on the rear side. Female abdomen are yellow or white in color with black transverse lines, whereas male abdomens are silver-white in color with hues of gold. Carapaces of both sexes are white or silver in color. They prey on small insects that get trapped in their web. Again, their 2 are annual species, and the males die after mating. Microthena sigillata, family Arachnida, genus Microthena, species Microthena sigillata, common name arrow spider, arrow-headed orb weaver. Habitat: deciduous forest. Activity: diurnal. Average size of females is around 8 to 10 mm and males are around 4 to 6 mm. They have 8 eyes, 2 pairs of median eyes that are closer together and lateral eyes that are placed far apart. Legs are in proportion to the body and are dark red in color. The tarsus is with 3 claws each. Abdomen is white at the rear side and possesses a pair of dark red spine. Abdomen is usually bright yellow in color and the cephalothorax is dark red with 2 bright yellow lateral lines on the side. Males are usually black in color. Mesoumena vaccia. Family Thomisidae. Genus Mesoumena. Species Mesoumena vaccia. Common name goldenrod crab spider or flower crab. Habitat only on flowers of goldenrod or milkweed. Activity diurnal. Females are usually 6 to 10 mm in size, whereas males are 3 to 4 mm. They have 8 eyes that are arranged in 2 rows. The lower row of eyes is slightly curved. Legs are in proportion to the body. The first 2 pairs of legs are longer. In males, the first 2 pairs are brown and the hind 2 pairs of legs are yellow in color. Each tarsus has 2 claws. In females, the posterior end of the abdomen is usually wider. The abdomen is somewhat triangular in shape. They are usually creamish in color with 2 magenta or reddish bands running laterally on the sides of the abdomen. Males are more slender and the lateral bands are somewhat reduced. This spider usually prey on the pollinators. Sometimes they consume pollen. Salticus sensicensis. Family Salticacea. Genus Salticus. Species Salticus seniacus. Common name zebra spider, zebra jumper. Habitat man-made. Activity diurnal. Males and females are almost of the same size, with the females being slightly larger, about 4 to 7 mm. They have 8 eyes, 2 of which are located posteriorly on the carapace. On the midden eyes are larger. Legs are short and thick with bands of tan and black. Each tarsus have 2 claws. The body is black in color with golden highlights. Males have large jaws with fangs called Seliceria. Males are darker and more slender than females. Nocturnal spider Tegenaria domestica. Family Agelenidae. Genus Tegenaria. Species Tegenaria domestica. Common name barn funnel weaver, domestic house spider. Habitat man-made. Activity nocturnal. Females are larger than males. The average size of female is about 6 to 12 mm and the male measure between 6 to 9 mm. They have 8 pairs of eyes that are arranged in 2 rows. The bottom row is straight and the top row is slightly curved upwards. The legs are long in comparison to the body and usually have band of tan and black. The tarsus is usually with 3 claws each. The abdomen and the cephalothorax are usually of the same size. In females, the abdomen is more round as compared to males. The cephalothorax is pear-shaped. It is light brown in color with 2 dark brown lines running laterally in the thorax. The abdomen is greyish in color with brown crisscross patterns. The wave of these individuals is in the shape of a funnel. Sierracanthium milgia. Family Euthyricida. Genus Sierracanthium. Species Sierracanthium milgia. Common name long-legged sac spider and yellow sac spider. Habitat man-made. Activity nocturnal. The average size of a female is 7 to 10 mm, whereas males are usually 5 to 9 mm. Eyes are usually 8 in number that are arranged in 2 rows, the upper row being more curved. Legs are in proportion to the body with 2 claws on each tarsus. The cephalothorax and the abdomen are almost equal in size. Body is widest in the middle and tapering towards both the ends. They prey on small insects and are usually found near outdoor lights. Distera crocata. Family Disteridae. Genus Distera. Species Distera crocata. Common name woodlouse hunter. Habitat garden, field, forest. Activity nocturnal. The average size of this spider, excluding legs, is about 12 to 16 mm in females and 8 to 10 mm in males. These individuals have 6 eyes instead that are arranged close together in the semicircle. The legs are proportionate to the body and are a bright orange in color with 2 claws on each tarsus. The abdomen and cephalothorax are almost equal in size. The cephalothorax is usually brown in color, whereas the abdomen is yellowish brown or grey in color. This individual possesses a large jaw with fangs that are called Seliceria. These individuals primarily prey on wood lice but feed on any other prey that can catch. Herpylus Ecclesiasticus. Family Ganaphosidia. Genus Herphyllus. Species Herphyllus elasticus. Common name Eastern Parson spider, ground spider. Habitat under tree barks, old debris. Activity nocturnal. The average size of a female is 6 to 6.5 to 12 mm, whereas males usually measure between 4.5 to 6.5 mm. The individual have 8 eyes that are arranged in 2 rows, with the median eyes being larger than the rest of the eyes. The legs are brownish black, with the hinge 2 pairs being the longest. Each tarsus is with 2 claws. The cephalothorax and abdomen are almost equal in size and slender. They are blackish brown in color and the abdomen bears silvery white stripes. The individuals feed on insects that they can catch, and maybe that's why they are usually found near outdoor lights. Cuculcenia harbinalis. Family Philistatidae. Genus Cuculcenia. Species Cuculcenia harbinalis. Common name southern house spider, crevice weaver. Habitat man-made. Activity nocturnal. Females are usually larger than males. The average size of females is about 10 to 25 mm, whereas males are about 9 to 12 mm. Excluded. The 8 eyes are arranged in the cluster close together. Legs are usually proportionate to the body, having with 3 claws. These individuals show sexual dimorphism. Females are grayish black or dark brown in color. Males are light brown in color and are often mistaken for brown recluses. Males are usually more slender than females. Fishing spider Dolmades triton. Family Pisiuradae. Genus Dolmades. Species Dolmades triton. Common name six-spotted fishing spider, raft spider. Habitat margins of water bodies. Activity diurnal. The average body of size of females is 15 to 20 mm and the males measure 19 to 13 mm. They have 8 eyes that are arranged in 2 slightly curved rows, with 2 pairs of median eyes being slightly bigger than the lateral eyes. Legs are proportionate to the body. Each tarsus have 3 claws. The abdomen and the cephalothorax are of same size. The abdomen is more rounded towards the thorax. It is dark brown in color with a pair of white spots. The cephalothorax is dark brown with white strips. The sternum has 6 black spots, hence the name. These individuals are capable of walking on water and can remain underwater for 30 to 60 minutes. They usually prey on insects and small fish. Dolomedos tenebrosus. Family Pisiuradae. Genus Dolomedos. Species Dolomedos tenebrosus. Common name raft spider, darking fish spider. Habitat margins of water bodies. Activity nocturnal. The average body size of females is 15 to 20 mm, while the males measure 17 to 13 mm. They have 2 pairs of eyes that are arranged in 2 slightly curved rows, with the 2 pairs of median eyes being slightly bigger than the lateral eyes. Legs are proportionate to the body and have black and brown bands. Each tarsus have 3 claws. The abdomen and the cephalothorax are of the same size. The abdomen is more rounded towards the thorax. It is usually grey in color with the characteristic 3 W-shaped markings. They usually prey on insects and small fish like minnow. These, however, are not as well adapted to the aquatic habitat as other fishing spiders. The male are usually killed after mating. The females carry their eggs in their jaws, Ciliceria, before laying them in a web. Spitting spider Fuchsia viridens. Family Oxopedia. Genus Fuchsia. Species Fuchsia viridens. Common name green lynx spider, lynx spider. Habitat herbaceous gardens, desert conditions. Activity diurnal. These females are about 11 to 22 mm in size and the males are about 8 to 15 mm. They have 8 eyes that are arranged in the elliptical manner, with 2 eyes on the lower side being very small and 2 lateral eyes being larger. The other eyes are somewhat oval in shape. Legs are long and thin, usually longer in males. Legs are green with conspicuous black spines. The cephalothorax is pear-shaped and bright green. The abdomen is rounded towards the thorax and tapers to a point in the rear end. The abdomen too is bright green in color, with 2 reddish and deep magenta lines running laterally on 2 sides of the abdomen. It feeds on other insects and spiders, and its diet mostly comprises honeybees. These spiders are capable of spitting venom when act as an act of self-defense. Skytoads thoracica. Family Skytodia. Genus Skytoads. Species Skytoads thoracica. Common name spitting spider or net spitting spider. Habitat man-made. Activity nocturnal. Females on an average measure 4 to 6 mm, whereas males measure 3 to 5 mm. They have 6 eyes that are arranged in 3 pairs. Legs are in proportion to the body and have band of tan and brown. Each tarsus have 3 claws. The abdomen and the scleptothorax are of the same size. Scleptothorax and abdomen are rounded. The body of this spider is somewhat arched due to the arrangement of the scleptothorax and abdomen. There is a pair of venom glands between the scleptothorax and abdomen. The spit contains a mixture of venom and glue, which when in contact with the prey contracts and immobilizes the prey. Here the spider uses its venom to hunt down its prey. Venomous spider, Hogna carolinensis. Family, Lycosidia. Genus, Hogna. Species, Hogna carolinensis. Common name, Caronolina, wolf spider. Habitat, arid regions and grasslands. Activity, nocturnal. These are comparatively larger spider, with the females measuring about 22 to 35 mm and the males measuring about 18 to 20 mm. They have 8 eyes that are arranged in 3 rows. The lower row has 4 small eyes, while the middle row has 2 large median eyes. Also, there are 2 lateral eyes far apart from each other, arranged posteriorly. Legs are long, usually longer in males. Each tarsus has 3 claws. The scleptothorax and the abdomens are of the same size. The body is grayish brown in color. The abdomen usually has a long black mark called the cardiac line. The celia is bright orange in color. The venom possessed by this spider is not lethal but can cause allergic reaction in sensitive individuals. The bite may be painful with reddening of the skin. In rare cases, they may be onset of middle fever. Latrodactylus geometricus. Family, Therididae. Genus, Latrodactylus. Species, Latrodactylus geometricus. Common name, brown widow spider, geometric button spider. Habitat, man-made, usually in gardens. Activity, diurnal. The average size of females is about 7 to 10 mm, whereas males are about 2.3 mm. They have 8 eyes that are arranged in 2 rows, with the lateral eyes being apart. Legs of these individuals are long as compared to the body and are with light brown bands. Each tarsus has 3 claws. The abdomen of females bulges more. It is light brown in color with black and orange spot and with transverse white stripes that are discontinued in the center. The carapace is dark brown in color. Both males and females have an orange hourglass on the underside of the abdomen. Large amount of the venom can be lethal. However, a spider bite injects such little amount of venom that is harmless. The bite may be painful and leave a mark. Latrodactylus mactans. Family, Therididae. Genus, Latrodactylus. Species, Latrodactylus mactans. Common name, southern black widow, hourglass spider. Habitat, man-made. Activity, nocturnal. Females are much bigger than males. Males are 3 to 6 mm in size, whereas females are 8 to 13 mm in size. They have 8 eyes that are arranged in 2 rows. The lateral eyes are separated far apart. The legs are very long and third pair of legs are usually shortest. Females have black legs, whereas the legs have black and brown bands in the males. Legs are usually in 3 claws. The abdomen in females is bulging, whereas it is slender in males. The body is jet black and waxed to look at. The underside of the abdomen's pulses are bright red hourglass in both sexes. This spider feeds on other insects and small animals like toad. The venom of this spider is highly potent and its neurotoxin affects the nervous system. When the toxin enters the bloodstream, it can cause nausea, headache, vomiting, abdominal pain, elevated blood pressure and fever. Loxosceles reclusa. Family, Cycradia. Genus, Loxosceles. Species, Loxosceles reclusa. Common name, brown reclusal, brown fiddler, violent spider, fiddleback spider. Habitat, man-made. Activity, nocturnal. These spider measure usually between 7 to 12 mm. Females are around 9 mm and males are around 8 mm. They have 6 eyes inside in pairs of 3. Legs are proportionate to the body. The second pair is the longest and the third pair is the shortest. Each tarsus has 2 claws. The body is light brown in color. The abdomen is oval in shape and the scleptothorax is somewhat flattened and pear-shaped. The carapace has a dark spot that looks like a violin. The venom can be fatal in large amounts. In a smaller amount, its effect can be reddening and it can sometimes cause tissue necrosis. In rare case, it affects the vascular system and can be lethal. These individuals feed on insects and other spiders that they can prey upon. Other spider, Castanea